In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add tax on Squarespace. To get started, log into your Squarespace dashboard and open your website settings. From there, search for the Taxes panel and open it. This is where you can control how tax is applied to your store, and it is the main area you will use for this setup. Once you are in the Taxes section, choose the Automated option. This setting allows Squarespace to calculate taxes for you based on the regions where you are required to collect them. This is usually the easiest and most accurate option if you want to streamline tax setup and reduce manual work. Next, click Business Operation. Here you will choose the regions where your business is legally registered to collect tax. It is important to select only the locations where you actually have tax obligations, since this determines where tax will be charged during checkout. After that, enter your business or individual registration details. Then click Confirm. Make sure the information matches your official registration records so your tax setup is accurate. This helps ensure your store is configured properly from the beginning. Now move down to the Tax Default section. Click Tax Address. Then click Add. Enter your business location and save it. This address is used as part of your default tax settings, so be sure it reflects the correct location for your business operations. Once that is done, go to Product Tax Code and click Add. Here you will select your default inventory category and then save your changes. This step helps Squarespace apply the correct tax rules to the products you sell. Choosing the right category is important because different product types can be taxed differently depending on the region. Finally, take a moment to review everything you entered and confirm that all of the settings are correct. Check your registered regions, your tax address, and your default product tax code before finishing. A quick review can help you avoid tax errors later and make sure customers are charged correctly at checkout. After you confirm everything, your tax setup will be in place and Squarespace will be ready to apply tax automatically based on your settings. That covers everything you need to know.